Okay, so here is my flower wall from my Valentine's Day shoot, like forever ago. Like it's almost about to be February again. Okay, probably not, but you know. It's been like what, 6, 7 months, so it's been some time. Anyways, this is my old flower wall. These are some new flowers that I was beautifully gifted, and then this is just some leftover stuff that I also bought. Some roses, okay. And then I have this from my photo shoot for like the vacation boxes. So I'm gonna just take these like off and like incorporate it into this flower wall. Yeah, just because they weren't really secured and they're nice anyways. So take those off and like start doing that and turn it into like a nice like jungle type setting where it's all nice and full. So yeah. I don't like how this cat's not on me. This like uses so many goddamn roses. It's crazy how many roses it takes to fill this shit out. But I'm also got these, popping these out so they lay flat and shit. And maybe I can use these wires for another creative project. So I'm gonna actually keep them this time. So much of this goddamn, I don't know if you see, so much of this foam is coming. Just taking these steams. I've got my glue gun here. So we got that kind of filled out. So now and then for these, just do it on 2 of the leaves. So just creating little circles on the bottom. You don't need, it doesn't need much glue because base pretty much. So I got this bottom area like completed, but still need some work on the sides, like over here. So yeah, so this area is almost done. So I chose to get, I got this. So just gonna flip this around and then I'm gonna work on the top half. You gotta take water breaks. It's a lot of work. Okay, so I am at the final stages for my flower wall. So I just added, well, they're not secured yet, but I cut out some cardboard because of course I have a lot of boxes just lying around. So I cut out some cardboard and I'm going to secure the cardboard onto the back of the flower wall with some hot glue. And then after that, I'm going to take my command strips and I'm going to attach it to the back of the cardboard and I'm going to try to mount it to the wall. We will see if this method works first. Okay, so the cardboard is now hot glued to the flower wall. We've got the command strips on there. So my goal is to take the command strips off and then have the flower wall hanging right in this area. So I'm gonna go get me a step ladder and we are going to try it. Okay, so the support wasn't great, so I had to put it on some stands. But this is the final product of the flower wall.